can you turn this room into this room in Godot 4 without global illumination? So let's get started. First of all, we need to set the lighting, as lighting can be seriously affect the environment of the game. So let's set up the lighting first. For setting lighting, you need to click on Directional Light 3D, which is sun in your scene. Now you will see a color channel in the inspector channel, click that. Now here at the bottom of the color wheel, you will see the input field, just click that. Here now write FAD96 and click on the scene. Now you will see the orangish lighting. Please don't be frustrated, just follow along with me. Now in the inspector panel of Directional Light 3D you will see an energy text with a range field. Set the range of energy according to the scene. I am setting 16 because for my scene 16 is perfect. Till here we have done 60% work for our game scene. Okay, if I ask you, in real life what makes light reactively behaving, what will you answer? Okay, let me not make you in thinking, so let's get the answer. It's nothing but light bouncing. Light in real life always bounces with collision with objects, and we're making our scene much realistic. It could be in Godot without global illumination. So we need to add light bouncing. For that we can use reflection probe. Yes, reflection probe. So just add a reflection probe into the scene. Now check the all three properties of reflection probe. Position the reflection probe at the mid of the scene. Now here you will already feel difference in graphics, and the room is now looking much realistic. By this we has done 89% work. Now the last thing left, which are shadows. Let's make the shadows realistic. For that go to the project settings. Enable advanced settings. Scroll and click the light and shadows option. From here set up the shadow settings according to you. You can easily set these settings in your game, just set up these according to the game scene. Now so we made the scene realistic without using global illumination, looking so great. You can also add fog, but for a room I don't think fog is a good option. That's it for Toady. Let me see you in another video. If you want to know how do I created Minecraft is Godot in only 1 hour, so click the following video. Now have a nice day.